come to the realization it's going to be impossible for me to find a place to open anything that's quiet. I don't have to worry about dogs barking, howling, people complaining, whatever. So I'm out here at my truck again. Yard's kind of getting overgrown. I need some stuff to knock some of this garbage down with quick, and some of the stuff that's needed to have been cut out, like all them trees from right there all the way down to just about the end of that row of trees over there. There's that last little section right there. That's my neighbor's that I can't do anything with. Wouldn't do it if I could, because it's not my property. But all those trees and stuff need cut out. They don't want them cut down. I don't like them standing up there. So I'm going to cut them out and we'll figure something else out. I don't mind trees, I just don't like those. Those draw all kinds of bugs and I don't know what all else. Now, if you look right there, and right there, and that's not, surely to God. Oh, I was focused on the wrong thing. That one right there is going to go too. But I do have some of these in my yard like this that are popped up and growing wild. I didn't plant them, but I've found several like that and some bigger that are evergreen trees. Now, I can deal with those. The other ones that I'm cutting out, guess what I'm going to cut them out with? I'm not real good at mixing gas. I'm not real patient with the 2-cycle chainsaws. Worked with them for a long time in Knoxville, the company that I worked with there. But this just seems like a much better option all the way around. This will take any bar, as long as it's the same size from what I understand. It is 40 volt max, brushless, electric chainsaw, toolless, and it's got a 4 amp hour battery. You can get up to a 7.5 amp hour battery with it. There's the model number right there. DCCS 690M1. 90-day warranty on it. Gas performance guaranteed. Okay, well that remains to be seen. Does come with the charger and the 4 amp hour battery pack. If you're one of those that likes to scan the QR codes, there's a good focus on it. Not much different on any of the rest of this, so let's dig into it. I couldn't find any of my pocket knives, so this is going to have to be a box cutter unboxing. Guess that's how you undo these. Alright. A little bit more stuff on the bottom here. Low kickback, auto oiling. Yeah, the only liquid this thing requires is the bar and chain oil. Auto oiling with Lubralink and Lubrawell for continuous lubrication, quarter turn, oil cap for quick oil refills. Chain brake for kickback protection, tool-free chain tensioning, bar tightening knob for proper bar clamping force, variable speed trigger. Okay. 40 volt max, 4 amp hour lithium ion battery, hard bar cover. Oh, cool. I didn't know if this came with a cover at all or not, but evidently at least I got the chain and bar cover. That'll keep it from rusting, hopefully. I gotta hurry up because I'm getting ate up by mosquitoes out here already. I haven't been out here 10 doggone minutes yet. Okay. Why is it not coming open? Oh, I didn't cut it all the way. Duh. Okay. Wasted cardboard. That's got something in it. Oh, the butt into the handle. Okay, more wasted cardboard. And that feels like the battery. And according to that hole, looks about like the right size to be the battery. Really need to bust that blade off. It's getting dull. I ain't gonna do nothing but get somebody cut and hurt. Yep, it's the battery. Now I want you to see this. That's a doggone meat horse of a battery. Oh, it looks like it's charged already. How about that? Yep, charged. Wow, sweet. 40 volt. And it's vented so it doesn't start cooking and fry your whole doggone saw. Now that's the charger. That's a pretty stout, beefy charger too. Holy cow. Okay, now how in the heck? Now, I guess like so. But I mean, it's fully charged. I don't need to do that. Don't need to charge it or make it think it's getting charged. Wow, that's a beefy charging port. More wasted cardboard. More wasted cardboard. The obligatory 50,000 pages too much instruction manual. And now the star of the show. Alright. All that extra cardboard flopping around and getting blown around by the wind was making me mad, so I stopped the camera and packed it all back in the box. This is the part that I was ready and waiting for anyhow. Whew. Doggone steaming out here. Alright. Alrighty. Actually got some weight to it. This might work really well for me. couple times just sliding that off and on, it'll fall off on its own. So with the sharp points on each one of those blades on the chain. Alright, well, let's as they say, bust this thing open. There we go. At least the safety lock on the trigger. I believe she goes in like so. Pull that lock back. I'm not going to run it long because of the fact that it's got they don't have any bar oil in it. Ooh. Wow. Yeah, it's got a little bit more than a little bit more butt than I thought it would have. Not disappointed at all. Always keep the bar and chain lock on when you're not using it. Oh, evidently there is some bar and chain oil in there. Look. Splattered all over the back of my truck. Alright then. Anyway. Didn't send me any bar and chain oil, but that's okay. It's good enough. I can make do with that. Now it's time to get after this yard and get some of this garbage knocked down and cut down that I've been wanting to get taken care of for a long time now. But I'll do a little bit of video when I go cutting some of these limbs off and cutting some of these trees down like I'm wanting to.
Let's do this!
Probably going to ride around with that on the riding mower with me. And as I get closer to some of these irritating trees that just sprouted up out of nowhere, just cut them all down or cut the branches off of them to get it up away from the ground where I can cut around this stuff a little easier.
Do it.
I got a feeling this little sucker here is fixing to be my new best friend for a while out here and working on these yards. But there you have it. Appreciate each and every one of you watching. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. For those of you wanting the obligatory bear sighting, there's my boy. You better get down.